Where are the stars? If we're really in space, where are all the stars? From the ISS to the Apollo missions and beyond, they are always searching for the stars. Absent stars, NASA has to be faking everything. But are they? All right, so let's check the math. One of the moon landing denial community's favorite gotcha is pointing out missing stars in photos. To them, this proves everything is being done in a Hollywood studio somewhere. NASA somehow forgot to put the stars in the studio background. Or maybe they forgot to Photoshop them into the countless images they publish to the public. Let's see what's actually happened. It's not that the stars aren't there, it's that the cameras aren't looking for them. And that's exactly what we would expect. Stars. A camera can't expose for bright objects and dim stars at the same time. Let me show you exactly what's happening. I took these photos this morning. Same location, same camera, same sky. This is the first image I took. Note there are no stars. Well, except for one barely visible above the lamp, but the lamp is still slightly overexposed. In this image, I set the exposure to go a little bit longer, and so now the lamp is overexposed, but you can barely start to make out a few stars. In this final image that I took, I set the exposure much longer and was able to see stars in the photo. But notice how the lamp is now way overexposed. This is what is happening in space. When photographers take photos in space with the moon or the earth in the image, the exposure is always adjusted to view those objects, not the stars. Take this photo, for example. This is the famous Earthrise photo taken during Apollo 16. It was taken from the command module as it orbited the moon. The subject of this photo was the moon and the earth, not the stars. Nobody was trying to take pictures of the stars. The stars are just not bright enough to compete with the brightness of the earth and the moon. This is just how cameras work. NASA didn't forget to put them in. In fact, if this was all fake and they did put stars in, that would be proof that it was fake, because any photographer would know they shouldn't be there. You shouldn't be able to see them. So thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please leave them below. If you have any suggestions for future videos, or if you disagree with anything I've said, comment below and we'll talk about it. So please check out this video. It's another good one that has some cool science. And as always, thank you very much.